ट्रैफिक पोल्यूशन कितना हो गया है।
सही बात है यार।
ट्रैफिक जैम पे जो गाड़ियाँ रुकती हैं उनसे कितना पोल्यूशन निकलता है, कितने लोग बीमार हो जाते हैं उस पोल्यूशन की वजह से।
हाँ भाई, मेरे पड़ोस में भी भाई बहुत पोल्यूशन की वजह से बहुत बीमार हो रहे हैं भाई। मैंने उन्हें देखा है जो पोल्यूशन की वजह से कितने बीमार हो रहे हैं।
हमें इसका कुछ सोल्यूशन निकालना होगा।
और मेरे रिलेशन में भी बहुत सारे बच्चे और बुजुर्ग ऐसे हैं जिनका पोल्यूशन की वजह से खांसी, टीबी, अदर बीमारी हो रही है।
तो चलो हम इसका एक सोल्यूशन निकालते हैं जो मेरे दिमाग में आया है। गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, माय नेम इज अर्पित
एंड माय नेम इज आरिफ त्यागी
एंड माय नेम इज यश
and we are from class 6. Today we made a small model on the topic of air pollution controller. You see that when there is a traffic jam on the roads, people keep their vehicle running even at red light by waiting for the green light, due to which pollution is released. Because of pollution, many people are suffering from diseases. Now this problem increases further in summer because people keep their vehicle running in traffic jam to get the cold breeze of air conditioner. So to save our environment from air pollution, we have made this small model on the topic of air pollution controller. Now I will tell you how this model works. This model works on the principle of absorption. When polluted air enters the model, a small vacuum is placed here, pulls the polluted air inside. After it goes into this box, the carbon rods which we have placed here absorb the carbon and impurities from the carbon dioxide, due to which it purifies and clean air is released back into the atmosphere through this pipe.
And
Now the carbon dioxide which we have captured can be used for commercial, industrial, or can be stored permanently underground.
And the material are required to make this project: a plastic box, a long pipe, a bottle, a carbon rods, 2 small fans, wires and adapter.
If a small model like ours can reduce pollution in a control setup, achieve with what we could achieve if we all work together on larger scale. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.